try to write the biggest and smallest digit number from the given number. See, okay, for example, let us write the biggest 2-digit number, so that can be formed using 7 and 2. See, in this the biggest number will be 72. What about the smallest? So the smallest 2-digit number which can be formed using 7 and 2 is 27. Okay, likewise we can form a greater number or smaller number using this given numbers. But always remember, while forming the 2-digit numbers, using 0 cannot, or while using a 0, the 0 cannot be placed in the tens place. For example, if the given number is 0 and 7, so here the biggest 2-digit number is 70. Whereas the smallest 2-digit number is also 70. You may ask why? Because if I place 0 in the tens place, then we will be having 07. So which is nothing but only single digit number, right? Yeah, that's why the 0 cannot be placed in the tens place while writing for 2-digit number. Got it? Yeah. For smaller number, okay? Now, there was a girl actually. The girl was called Mamata, and she likes to play with toys. Okay, so one day, what she did is, she arranged the toys in the lines from the pillar. Okay, so you can see, right? Yeah, she is arranging the toys from the pillar in the straight line. Then, at the same time, our brother came there and he draws a line from the pillar along the lines of toys, and he marks each toy with the number in order from starting from 1. You can see, right? From 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. He had marked it. Now, my question is, which toy or which is the first toy? And one more question I'm having, which is the fourth toy and where is the fan placed? So here, with the help of the line drawn, I can answer all these questions easily, right? So the first toy is ball, and the fourth toy is doll, and the fan is placed in the 5th place. Right? Yeah. So this number line is very interesting, no? So let us try to learn more about this number line. So you can write the number line like this. One line, and you can mark all the points starting from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So let's see some features about this. Okay. So here, from this pillar, so the line is drawn starting from the pillar, and the starting point is marked as 0. And then marks are made at equal distance on the line. So all the points are of equal distance, and each marking is given a number in order to form the starting point, and this is called as a number line. Got it? So this is about the number line, and this is about the chapter numbers.